Afternoon. Here we have another important question. Prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. बेटा हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे LHS लेंगे. चेकिंग LHS. Taking LHS. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now RHS में बेटा हमें cosec A plus cot A चाहिए. We know that cosec is 1 upon sin, क्योंकि we know that 1 upon sin A is equal to cosec A and cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. It means हमें डिनोमिनेटर में sin A चाहिए और क्या करेंगे बेटा, डिवाइड कर देंगे न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को sin A से. डिवाइडिंग या डिवाइड न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय sin A. This can be written as cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A divided by cos A upon sin A plus sin A divided by sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Now we know that cos A upon sin A is equal to cot A. Cot A, sin से sin cancel minus 1 plus 1 upon sin can be written as cosec A divided by cos by sin cot A plus sin से sin cancel 1 minus 1 upon sin cosec A. Now further this can be written as beta cot A plus cosec A. We arrange here cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Since we know that beta 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. This identity most important है बेटा, यहाँ पे 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Means 1 can be written as cosec square A minus में cot square A. Now this can be written as cot A plus cosec A minus 1 को रिप्लेस कर देंगे बेटा दिस cosec square A minus cot square A divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1 as it is. Now we know that A square minus B square, A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Now this can be written as cot A plus cosec A minus cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. Further upon में बेटा cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now बेटा taking cot A cosec A common, cot A plus cosec A into here कितना बचा, कॉमन लेने पर 1 माइनस प्लस माइनस cosec A माइनस प्लस cot A divided by cot A माइनस cosec A प्लस 1। थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए बेटा, दिस क्वांटिटी इज सेम, तो ये इससे कैंसिल हो गया। नाउ therefore this can be written as cot A plus cosec A। now LHS is equal to RHS, hence prove LHS is equal to RHS, hence prove।